Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Titan and
Gabrielle.
Gabby and Gina. Say hi. Hello. And Nathaniel went in the house. So I'm at my house. I got this toolbox, but guess what? This is not the original toolbox. So I have a toolbox inside MakerSpace 7.7 and has a 3D printer, which is additive. And now we have this toolbox because Gabby, in our house, in a regular room, in our maker space where you guys create your own toys now, what is going to go on the top of this?
A CNC machine.
CNC machine. Wait, a CNC machine? You mean computer numerical controlled in a room in our house? It's going on here, Gabby? Really? It's so exciting, right? Mm-hmm. It's so excited. She's hopping. But check this out. A CNC machine. So keep following. It's going to be amazing.